get the full book ready before that day, because it was almost impossible for me. I mean, writing a very deep book like this one that is super technical, that really wanted it to be super accurate about everything, and have the feedback from very important developers from the Android team, the Compose team. And I really wanted this book to be useful for the people and accurate, right? And to do something like that, or to write something like that, is something that requires a big amount of effort and time, obviously. So the only way to do this was doing a pre-launch, right? Only with 2-3 chapters written, and then basically iterate on top of that. And this is the strategy I picked, and it worked really well, I must say, because it allowed me to also validate the project very early, which is super important. I also wanted to say that. And from there, it was all about, feeling all the reward of all the people very hyped on that day, the release day, which was just basically amazing. Like people really embraced this new project, and you could really feel how everyone was very hyped about the topic, right? And then from there, it was all about iteration, trying to polish a few things from the very first chapters that I had written by that time, and keep iterating on the new ones too. And that's pretty much the full story. It was nice, a really nice ride. It was a really nice compound effect too, which I think it's important to also mention, because that allows you to build up on top of that topic, and then in the future release more interesting, products like currently what I'm delivering, the Jetpack Compose Internals cohort course, or the new version of it that is totally self-paced. This course has only been possible thanks to the book, right? Because I decided to write the book in the first place. And you can see how the people were already very interested about that topic, right? That gave me a really nice perspective, and also positioned myself as an authority on this topic in the community, which is something super important when you really want to build up an audience that is interested on a specific topic. Obviously, all this needs to be baked by some really good amount of knowledge and exploration. It needs to be useful for the people. It's not all about selling and promoting. You want to create a piece of knowledge that is really useful for people and accurate. So it takes some very good amount of time and effort. So that's pretty much like the full story. Very happy to share it with everyone. That's pretty much it. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.